Hi there, sweetie. So you see the Velcro is on here, nice and tight. A good industrial Velcro. This is not going to come off. Now we will be drying inside and out. So all we're really doing is cut it out for where the latches are, and we're just neating it off for now with a knife, just trimming it neatly. There we go, perfect. So I'm sticking it here. This will keep the rain out the back door, and that will attach to it, which is then attached to the awning. And from my personal view, I think this should have been non-negotiable. It should have been offered with the awning, because it doesn't make sense not to have it. So pretty much the gutter and the extra poles that they put onto there, because one pole, if you are in a bit of wind or storm, it's going to cause havoc with your awning. So at least you can pull it down. So I think non-negotiable should have been included into the deal. Yes, it adds to cost. People might complain. You go back anyway and find it in the water. So why not get it done at the same time? I say it should be a lot better. Okay, thanks guys. Closed. It's open. Yeah, so we can still make a little bit there, but it's past the door, and at least you can bear with the doors open, and no rain is going to come inside.